Have you ever wondered why keyword research is so crucial in content marketing? It's the compass guiding you to understand your audience better, tailor your content to their needs, and drive targeted traffic. Indeed, keyword research paves the way for successful content marketing. So, what makes keyword research a game changer in content marketing? Well, it's like a secret weapon that boosts your SEO ranking, driving more traffic to your website. It's also a master key to unlocking audience engagement, helping you understand what your audience is truly interested in. By using keyword research, you're able to create relevant and valuable content that resonates with your audience, keeping them coming back for more. In essence, keyword research is the compass guiding your content marketing journey. Ready to harness the power of keyword research? Incorporate this tool into your content marketing strategy today. Authority Solutions is here to provide you with top-notch SEO services. Start leveraging keyword research and watch your content marketing strategies soar. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and turn on notifications for more insightful tips.